Good morning, Americans. This is your favorite alien and Bubba here on Sunday, April 12th, 2020. Happy Easter. And I wanted to do a special video and say the outcome of the screw ups. Okay, so here we go. Well, Americans, as I told you, your present state of development is due because of the screw ups who came to this planet in the 1st century AD. Now, after Mr. JC left, he left a disaster on this planet. The screw ups, and they always did it, took the prevailing faith that was around where they landed. They didn't go and check the whole planet. They just landed in a specific place and took that, whatever was around, and twisted it to their benefit. In this case, that's how you got the Judeo-Christian and Muslim. That changed forever your development. What would have happened if the screw-ups didn't do that? That would be something, huh? You wouldn't have Christianity and you wouldn't have Islam. That would have been interesting. Would the Roman Empire go past 410 AD? Like in Star Trek, would it have gone to the 20th century? That would have been interesting, wouldn't it? No Dark Ages. No barbarians except outside the Roman Empire. And how big would it got? Would it survived? The Chinese, would their development be different? Would the Ming Dynasty be different? The Mongols, stuff like that. It's all due because of one thing, the screw-ups. Now, there's one thing that's interesting about the screw-ups, Americans. In your Christian beliefs, you notice you got the Father, the Ghost, and the Son. Well, doesn't that sound familiar? Did the screw-ups bring that? Or did your ancestors blend the beliefs of their ancestors about the Orion Belt into that? Because you notice, you got the same thing in Christianity. Same as the Egyptians had when they built their pyramids. Teotihuacan here. The Chinese and the Hopi, they can tell you about that. The Blue Star. And here in Christianity and in Islam, you have the same thing. A trilogy. This is a question you have to ask yourselves. Religion is more than a story. It's people who come in and do things they should not have done. Like in the screw-ups case, they did that to a lot of civilizations. Messed a lot of them up, big time. Some of them destroyed themselves because of them. You guys almost did, and you still may. But the mushk is going to destroy you. But look what that's caused. You mix politics, religion, and factions, which is what the screw-ups brought with them, factions. And look at what is going on in the coronavirus today. With all that in there, you can't get this stuff done. You can't get rid of the coronavirus fast enough because of all the screw-ups that you guys got, that you inherited from your screw-ups that came in. Anyway, this is your favorite alien and Bubba. Happy Easter.